Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could make these like stamped faux tag or stamped faux stamps. So we'll be making faux postage stamps from Stamps and Old Book Page. I figured this would be a fun idea, and I haven't used my stamps in a while, so why not? Some may be bigger than others too, but that's okay. I want to have a bit of fun here with you guys. And it's very relaxing, I think, doing this. It isn't the same project over and over again. Okay. Now I have acrylic. Small acrylics that I can use, so. Again, this is just a fun way to use up or use your stamps and again have just a little bit of fun with it. I don't know. All right, one more fancy one here. So this I'm gonna just set aside. We're just gonna keep on going. I think this is just, again, fun. To make some stamps that are unusual. And having different kinds, not always the same kind, also makes a huge difference, I think. Just want to see if there's any other ones. No. Alright. Now I have these stamps that I've never actually used. That shall be fun to use. They're Disney stamps. Ugh. They're hard to get off, too. So hopefully these work. Ooh, I think that's pretty. Again, just something a little bit unusual. Not the exact same every single time. I'm going to grab another piece here. We're almost done. Just 3 more, and then I've used all my pieces here. I think I got this from AliExpress before I understood that AliExpress really isn't the best place to get your stuff, to be honest. And I've had the stamp for a while now. And again, it's just good to use what you have instead of buying brand new. So if you have any small stamps, you could be doing this with all your different types of small stamps. I know I'm angling it, but I just want to fill this up. Like that one's a little too close together. there. I'm done with the stamping portion. Sorry if that took a little bit, but I was just having a bit of fun. I don't use my stamps enough sometimes. Just gonna quickly put this all away so it ain't in the way. All right, so we're gonna just do these first few here, and you can do it with any stamps that you've done. But just to show you how it works, you don't have to make sure the lines are absolutely straight or anything else like that. You just do your best. So there we go. We got 3 of them ready for the next stuff. Now I'm just taking out some scrap pieces that I have just sitting around of food colored dyed pieces. I do recommend using art glitter glue or glue stick for this portion. And again, this is a great way to use your scraps. I've been using a lot of my scrap papers for this. I just think it's a great, again, idea for scraps. That one's too small for this one piece. There we go. All right. Now grab a pair of decorative scissors. It don't necessarily have to be like this. You do you. I just like the effect of looking like an actual postage stamp. But obviously I've been using these scissors a lot. This is a different brand. Let's see how this one looks. Again, really pretty. Kind of gives that same effect to it. So we got 3 faux postage stamps done. And again, I think this technique is very easy to do. And again, it gets you to using stuff like your stamps. I haven't used my stamps in, I want to say, over a month. So that's my recommendation. If you figured out that you haven't used your stamps in a while and you struggle maybe finding a good, or you don't necessarily have a lot of vintage postage stamps, make your own. Sometimes I use index card and use different stamping. I mean, it's endless what you could do with these. And these are just basic stamps that I stamped on book page, of all things. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.